Hi and welcome back to Things a Dad Should Know. This morning I'm just going to make myself a cup of coffee, and I thought I would share a couple of things I do with you because I kind of like my coffee, but I just, there's certain things that I need to do to make sure, one, I can drink it, two, it stays warm for a long period of time, and three, this is a sweetened coffee, so it's more like a latte or a cappuccino, and I'll just show you how I do it so you can see. So here's the coffee that I'm using today. It's from Keurig. It's called Hazelnut. It's a cappuccino mix. I have a Contigo cup because it takes me forever to drink my coffee, so I like to be able to drink it over a period of time. And so it goes into the Contigo cup. And then I'm using a Keurig here to actually brew the coffee. Now, one of the hacks that I do is I always find, especially with the Contigo cups, if I make the coffee straight into the Contigo cup, which you can do, you just need to remove this base here and the Contigo cup will fit. I really can't drink it first up. So a little hack that I've learned, turn it on. There's nothing in there. I don't put the pot in there, and I'll show you why in a minute. I'm just going to make an 8-ounce cup. I'm going to put it into a normal coffee mug. And then over here, with the hazelnut, inside it, one of the things you can always do, if you hold up to the light, you'll see that it's on the bottom. What that means is it's an instant coffee mix. If you hold it up to the light and you see an air gap underneath it, it's going to be a brew coffee mix. So the brew coffee mix has to go in there. This one, however, doesn't need to do that. What I'm going to do is open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, so here it is. I've opened it up. And what you'll see is inside, it's actually an instant coffee mix. And that instant coffee mix, what I've found, when you put them through the Keurig, sometimes the sugar crystals will get caught into the Keurig, and you'll find it jams up and doesn't actually make you a cup of coffee. So I never put this into my coffee maker. I just put it straight into the cup here. Now, this has been in here for about 30 seconds. If I feel the outside, it's getting very hot to hold, and that tells me it's just perfect for how I want it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into my cup. And I'm going to put the lid on it. Like that. Close it down, give it a shake. It'll make a little hissing noise. And it's ready to drink, and I can actually drink it right now without having to wait for it to cool down.